Alright guys, today I'm back with an unboxing. It is the first and final to the series. It only has 6. It's Meltylancer, the animation. This is volume 1. I did unboxing for volume 2. I thought volume 2 was just a movie until I seen the episodes said 4 through 6. So yeah. It's from Bandai. This one's called Alpha Front. I didn't even watch the second one. I haven't even put it in a DVD player yet, so I'm going to watch this later on tonight. Front. Oh, and be watching for School Rumble Starter Set unboxing. I get that Big Ten metal locker thingy in volume 1. I'll be doing that one, and I'll be also getting Desert Punk volume 3. Yeah, volume 3 with it. So watch out for the unboxing as well. Front. Spine. Back. Say episodes 1 through 3. Disc. Front and back. Japanese main cast. English voices. I guess that must be a thing or whatever. There's the reverse cover. Anyway guys, that was my unboxing. Well, hold on 1 second. Let me pull this out. This right here might be a better way to show it. There's the reverse cover. That's the Japanese one. The Japanese front cover. Anyway guys, please like, comment, subscribe. That's my unboxing. Peace.